Hey, welcome back. In the resource section, I've included an exercise contract. This exercise contract is a tangible and visible reminder for you of what your goals are and what you're committing to do here. There are 4 promises. The first promise is that you are committing to doing this entire program. The second promise is that you will eat a clean diet that will help fuel you through your workouts. Don't worry, we'll go over nutrition later so that you can verify that you are eating well. The third promise is you committing to a specific kind of active rest that you will partake in on your off days, on the days that we don't do the trainings. The fourth promise is very important. With this promise, you are committing to rewarding yourself after each successful week of workouts. On the bottom half of the contract, you'll find fitness goals. You can set as many fitness goals as you like or as few as you like. These goals are to help you be successful. Really briefly, I like to go over SMART goals. SMART goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. So to say, I want to be better at fitness, it's too generic. We need to be more specific. Let's pick one movement. Push-ups, for example. Okay, we have our push-ups, specific goal. Measurable. How many push-ups? I just want to be able to do some push-ups. No, we need a number, something that we can measure so that we know that we've reached that goal. Let's shoot for 10. 10 push-ups. Okay, so we have a goal that's specific and measurable. Attainable. Is this something that you as a human being can do? 10 push-ups. Absolutely. You can do 10 push-ups. If you can't do them now at the beginning of this course, you will be able to do 10 by the end of this course. So we have a goal that's specific, measurable, and attainable. Relevant. Are push-ups relevant to fitness? Absolutely. A non-relevant goal would be, I want to take a fitness class so that I can be better at needlepoint. Not relevant. Push-ups are relevant. And lastly, time-bound. How long till you reach this goal? I want to be able to do 10 push-ups. When? A couple years or no. Give yourself a specific goal. I want to be able to do 10 push-ups at the end of this 8 weeks. That's a perfect goal. It's specific, it's measurable, it's attainable, it's relevant, and it's time-bound. 8 weeks to 10 push-ups. If you can't already do them now, boom, you got your first goal.